Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is Week 10 update with Anita. So how's it going so far, Anita?
It's going. It was a little bit rougher week for other reasons, but it was still a good week.
So your original goal for Week 10 used to be 205, but you're already right now 202, I think?
201.
201. So that's why a few weeks ago we decided to change it to 195. We couldn't make it, but that's okay. We just recently finished the first 2 weeks education program, so officially we are starting the diet today.
Yes.
Right. So as we were learning, you already lost 26 pounds, and we were just learning, right? We didn't start the official diet day one, right?
No, we didn't.
Right? Yeah. But how many hours did you spend like outside the class? Watching YouTubes and learning about nutrition and reading books and stuff like that.
Well, it was a few hours, but it
Every
went
week.
fast because
Yeah.
I'm learning things that are practical and pertaining to me and my health and how I can maintain good health and lose weight at the same time, which is an amazing thing. So that time didn't really seem like it was a chore by any means. It was, a person can sit and watch TV for 4 hours in one evening.
Yes, right. That's
And
right.
this is education. This is very beneficial. I had no
That's
problem
right.
with
That's why I think it's very reasonable, like for every one of us, to spend a few hours every week, just learn about nutrition,
Oh, yeah.
or how to improve our health.
that. Oh
Right?
yeah.
That's absolutely right. Do you think it was possible to start a diet from day one and skip the educational
No.
portion of this
I
program?
probably would have walked out day one if you had said to me what the expectation of weight loss like
Yeah.
today, I would have said, yeah, this is bogus.
Yeah.
But the education first and then the action second, you get the motivation, which everybody needs motivation.
That's right.
We all, every second person wants to lose weight. But what
Correct.
you need is proper motivation, and that's what this class does.
That's right. Yeah.
It's not putting the horse before the cart.
That's correct. So it is like science behind losing weight. It needs education and motivation, right? And this is, I think, the mistake that most people do. They start that right away from day one
Yeah.
without understanding how their body will lose weight or how to stay motivated. And that's why they quit, right?
Yep.
That's absolutely.
Because even when I've had a bad week, it's like,
Yeah.
okay, it wasn't the best week, but I know how to get back on track because I've been taught how to get back on track, how to bring it all together,
That's
and it gives me motivation to not give up,
That's
to
right.
just keep plugging along because I know
Yeah.
what I need to do.
So that's why you have self-confidence of getting back on track, and you can setting up very challenging goals, right? Because once you have the keys, all the keys you need, it will be just a matter of time on like when to use which key
Yes.
at what point, right? That's right.
And I've been learning that for the last 10 weeks, and it's been very, very much an eye-opener.
Very good. Thank you so much. So I look forward for our follow-up interview next week, and we'll see where we are next week. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.